Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. We are doing week 6 on my n1H common planner, sterling ink. So if you like watching these kind of videos, just keep on watching. Alright guys, that took about 3 times, so if you like blurpers or bloopers or whatever you want to call them, go to the end of the video and you'll see them. But we're gonna go through week 6. Let me tell you what had happened. Well, what had happened was, so last weekend, today's Friday, last weekend we all got sick with some bug, and that's about it of what I'm gonna tell you, because I'm pretty sure you guys don't want to know what kind of bug we had. You can use your imagination. So clearly I did not do any of the books planning. I ended up doing my stuff mainly on Monday, when right before I started work. I got up early. I usually get up early anyways, and I planned as I went basically and decorated as I went. Here is my monthly view of February. Pretty basic. The stickers are coming out perfect. I actually found my February sticker. I had it stuck somewhere. And then here is week 6. Let me give you a preview of week 5. This was week 5. Here is week 6. And today is Friday, so I was sick with a bug. So I did all the planning basically Monday morning right before I had to start work. I start work very early. I get up very early to read my Bible and stuff and do Bible studies and prayer and all that good stuff. So after I did all my regular stuff, I went in, I did my setup like I regularly do. I did stay with the same concept of keeping the food here or the dinners, and then I still kept the same setup for the hours for work. I'm still using this side for work, which is working beautifully. I won't change this format in any shape or form. This is staying with me to the end of the year unless something else pops up. But I did do still my appointments. The only thing I didn't do this week was the weather. But I was under the weather. So I didn't do the weather. I kept it pretty simple. Just did the appointments that I had to do and called it a day. I didn't even plan basically any of the meals because we were very sick. All we ate was like chicken broth, bone broth, soup all weekend. Just regular plain white rice all weekend. So we didn't really, I didn't have the energy. I mean, we were out, and I mean we, like me, my husband, Bela, the whole entire household ended up getting the bug. And it's happened like Friday night. Sometime Friday night, I woke up Saturday already feeling sick. And as you guys know, I am a sick puppy. I have liver issues, diabetic, liver enzymes, anemic, you name it. I have no immune system. So whatever is about to happen, I usually catch it first, and I catch it 10 times worse than anybody else. So technically my bug was like 3 things in one, when everybody else was just in the bathroom, doing number 2. I had it all. So I had it the worst. It started with me very early Saturday. I woke up feeling not well, not being able to hold down anything, but like everything that I was drinking and eating basically for breakfast and all that stuff, I knew it felt a little weird. So I knew something was coming along. So basically I ended up just drinking coffee, because that's what I do for a living, is drink coffee. I had a couple of crackers for breakfast, nothing crazy, and drank the water. So, but I was the only one sick by Saturday morning. Only Saturday morning, Saturday afternoon, I made a soup. and we had that for lunch, and kept the fluids, right? The water, made jello because I knew I was feeling sick. And then by Friday, no, that was Saturday. So Saturday, late afternoon, Saturday, I ate oatmeal because it's the plainest thing I could eat. And I was still holding down the soup and everything else, but I was just doing number 2 in the bathroom regularly. And then I was drinking water. Not that you guys are here for all of that, but all weekend we were terribly sick. By Saturday night, Bella started feeling sick. She just texted me saying that she wasn't feeling well, so she stayed in her room, but told her to keep the fluids going. She kept checking up on us more than anything, which it was kind of cute. That's my 17-year-old. And so Sunday morning, when she woke up, by Sunday morning, then Lexton was not feeling good. And that one was worse than anything else because, Lexton can't move his, he's not fast enough with the leg, and the hand does his own thing. So it was a challenge, people. It was a challenge. But by Sunday, I was feeling a little bit better. I was down for the count, but I was feeling a little bit better. So I was able to help him. And Bella was she wasn't feeling well, but she was well enough to help with Lexton and everything else. So that was pretty cool. But besides that, I mean, that's not what you're here for. I'm so sorry that you had to hear all that. But here is week 5 of the dailies. I think this is week 5. Where am I? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. No. This is week 5. Where's week 5? Right here, Monday. So here's week 5 for the dailies. And as you can see, I stayed with the same format for the dailies. No change there. I like my little flip for February. I was supposed to go here and put what I want to do for February, but guess what? I've been sick, so... Well, I was sick, so I didn't get to do that either. Sorry. Bless me. I am going to go back and fill it out because I did do some stuff already, so I can fill it out, scratch it off, do that kind of thing. And then here is week 6. So here's the weekend recap. That stayed the same. I'm still doing the Sunday recap no matter what. And then for this week, because I couldn't decorate or do what I wanted to do with the dailies, all I did was write down the date for every single day. Today is Friday, so every single day I did go in and write down the date. Here's the weekend. That's all I did because today is Friday. And so Monday, when I got up to do my Bible study and all that stuff, and I started decorating, all I did was put the sticker. I did my verse of the day. Then as the day went by, I did put what books I was listening to or read. And that's it, right? Because it's been a crapola of a week. The same thing for Tuesday. So as soon as Tuesday came in, I just put the sticker for the, for the morning. Did what I had to do for listening, and then the same thing for Wednesday. So I didn't put like any of the February of the kit, but now I can go back, and I'm thinking it might be easier because I can go back and fill up whatever looks empty, which is basically almost every day, by the way. Because I didn't even put the dinners, because this week we just been eating, like, I don't even think we ate what I put in my weekly. I want to say we didn't even eat. I want to say this is what I did do this on Monday because it was easy on the stomach. Just some grilled chicken, white rice. I made some plain black beans. And then I just been eating that as a leftover for like we did quesadillas with the same chicken with the rice and the black beans. We did the same thing yesterday. We changed it around, and I didn't even do the pasta with the sausage. And today is Friday, and I don't even know what I'm gonna do today because I have not figured that out yet. I want to say besides that, clearly you can backfill, right? So like Monday I can go ahead and do the dinner because I did have dinner, so I can go back and backfill it, which is fine. And I won't do that till Sunday because today is Friday. But I just wanted to go out there and put that I did do it. And then this week, I'll do it on Sunday maybe. I'll go in and try to figure out how I'm gonna do week 3, week 7, which is probably gonna be the same thing. But, alright, there you go. I just wanted to make sure you guys got something, you know? I didn't want to leave you guys sitting there with nothing. And I've been using the little Monster coffee for my coffee time. I know some of you guys are probably gonna like scream at me because I think she gives you freebies if you fill out her card, but I hardly order from her, so it's not gonna bother me. It's okay. I'm a coffee drinker, so I love using it that way more than anything else. And then this has been working perfectly fine. No changes here, so we'll see. But that's it for week 6 and a review of week 5. Sorry for all the TMI, but thank you for watching. God bless. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. We are doing I don't even know what week it is. Week 6. We're gonna do this again. Take 2. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. We are doing week 6 on my not my Hobonichi. Let's take 3 on this one.